Every year, nearly 2 billion Muslims voluntarily stop eating and drinking for up to 16 hours a day. But what actually happens inside the human body during fasting? And why does modern science now confirms many benefits of this ancient practice? During the month of Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset. It is not only a spiritual practice but also a discipline of body and mind. From a scientific perspective, fasting triggers powerful biological changes that affect metabolism, brain function, and self control. After several hours without food, the body begins to use stored sugar for energy. Later, it switches to burning fat, a process known as metabolic switching. Research from Johns Hopkins University explains that this shift improves energy efficiency and supports weight control. Fasting also activates a natural repair process called as autophagy, where damaged cells are cleaned and renewed. Studies published in New England Journal of Medicine describe this as a powerful mechanism for cellular health. Fasting does not only affect the body, it also influences the brain. Research from the National Institute of Aging shows fasting may increase brain supporting proteins linked to learning and memory. Many people experience improved focus and mental clarity during fasting. Fasting can also improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body regulate blood sugar more effectively. According to research from Harvard Medical School, controlled fasting may support metabolic health and reduce risk of certain diseases. Beyond physical benefits, fasting trains self-discipline. It teaches patience, self-control, and awareness of one's actions. Modern psychology shows that delayed gratification strengthens willpower and emotional balance. This is why fasting is not only about food, it is about personal transformation. Whether practiced for faith or health, fasting represents a powerful system of physical and mental development. What is remarkable is that this 1400-year-old practice aligns closely with the modern scientific understanding of human health and discipline.